Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Nahmaduhu wa nasalli ala rasulihil kareem. So now, inshallah, in this lesson, we're going on to the third characteristic number 3, which means affirmation and negation. Affirmation means what? When you say something happened, for example, Zaid sat. What does this show? The action of sitting happened, it took place. You're affirming the sitting. So Zaid sat. It's called what in Arabic? Muthbat. What's this called? Muthbat, meaning you're showing that the sitting took place, it happened. And if I say, for example, Zaid did not, what are you doing now? Negation. You're saying it did not happen. This is called manfi. You following me? So according to the action happening or not happening, whether you're trying to affirm the action or whether you're trying to negate the action, you can say the verb is going to be muthbat. What does it call it? What does muthbat mean? The action took place. And manfi means the action did not take place. Yes? So muthbat, the action took place, and manfi, the action did not take place. So a verb is categorized into two, according to affirmation negation, 2 types. One is called muthbat, meaning the action took place. And manfi, the action did not take place. Now what happens now? By default is affirmation. Fa'ala, yaf'alu, fataha, yaftahu, ba'atha, yab'athu means what? The action, all of these are, it happen. To make it negative, what do you have to do now? Add particles at the beginning. Okay? When you add different particles, then these particles make the verb what? Negative. You get it? So certain harf or huruf you have to add to the beginning of the verb, and these particles make the verb what? What? Negative. So the first particle we have here is what? Is ma. What's the first particle? Ma. Yes? If you add ma before the verb, which verb? Al-madi. The madi becomes what? Negative. So dhahaba Zaydun, Zayd went. Ma dhahaba Zaydun, Zayd did not go. So ma makes al-madi what? Negative. Number 2, so it's only one particle. So only one particle of negation comes on the madi, which is what? Ma. On mudhari there are quite a few of them. We'll go through them bit by bit. Number 1, the particle lam. Which particle is this? Lam. What happens now? Lam is a bit funny. It makes the mudhari negative, but the tense is what? Madi. The tense is what? Madi. So for example, so yadhhab on its own means future or present, will go. But when you put lam, what does it mean now? Lam yadhhab? Did not go in the past. So even though this is mudhari, isn't it? And what should mudhari show? Mudhari should be what? Present or future. Correct? Yes? Present or future. But when lam comes, it becomes what? Past. Do you understand? It becomes what? Past. So lam yadhhab means what? Zayd did not go in the past. Correct? And what happened if you remember this now? Lam, what does it do? It makes the word after it majzoom. So yadhhabu becomes yadhhab. Lam makes it what? Majzoom. Because of lam, the fa'il mudhari becomes what? Majzoom. So lam makes it negative and also makes it what? Majzoom. So you'll have a sakin. Anytime you have lam, the verb after it will have what? Sakin or sukoon. It will be sakin, it'll have a sukoon. Ma. Ma can also come on al-fa'lul mudhari. And it makes it what? Negative. You follow me? But the negative is in which tense? Present only, not future. And mudhari on its own gives how many tenses? 2. Present and future. But when ma comes on it, it's only one tense now. Which tense is this? Present tense. So ma yadhhabu Zaydun means what? Zayd does not go or Zayd is not going. Can it mean Zayd will not go? Can it have future meaning? No. When ma comes, then the fa'al mudari loses its future tense possibility. It can't be future anymore. It has to be present, either habitual or continuous. So ma yadhhabu Zaydun, Zayd is not going or Zayd does not go. You following? Next one. La. La comes in mudari, it makes it negative, and it can have either tense, present or future. So for example, la yadhhabu Zaydun means what? Zayd does not go, is not going, or will not go, all depending on the context. But all three are possible. So far so good? Yes. And the last particle is lan. Lan is what? Lan makes the fa'al mudari negative. But in which tense only? Future. And not only is it future, it's like very strong, emphatic. So if you say, La yadhhabu Zaydun, Zayd will not go. So no, he's not going, definitely. What do you say? Lan yadhhab. Do you understand? The lan makes it negative in the future, and also it has what in it? Emphasis. You follow me? So for example, Lan yadhhaba Zaydun, Zayd will not go. You just underline that not, or you put it in bold. There's no way you could translate it. You probably could translate it, but it's not so emphatic. You have to like change the whole translate. Just probably underline the not, so you know it's a bit emphatic. Okay? And another rule is, the same way lam makes the word after it what? Madzum, lan makes the word after it what? Mansoob. So yadhhabu becomes yadhhaba. Okay? A lot taken, let's summarize it. We've got this table here. So we have two verbs. Yes? A madhi verb and a mudari verb. So let's say dhahaba, for example. And mudari is what? Yadhhabu. Okay? Yes? So you got al-madhi dhahaba and mudari yadhhabu. How do we make these negative? We make madhi negative by adding what? You add ma. For example, ma dhahaba Zaydun. What does that mean? Zayd did not go. And which tense does this give? Past. Lam. You add lam to the mudari, what tense does it give? So lam yadhhab Zaydun means what? Zayd did not go. So both of these are what? So ma dhahaba Zaydun, lam yadhhab Zaydun. Both are past. There's a difference in the meaning, very subtle, very different, very slight. We'll do that in a higher level book, not here. But for now, for you, it's both the same. Ma dhahaba Zaydun or lam yadhhab Zaydun is similar meaning. Yes? Yes? If you add ma to the fa'al mudari, what will it mean? For example, ma yadhhabu Zaydun. What does it mean? Zayd does not go, or Zayd is not going. Only present tense, not future tense. La, what does la give the meaning of? La yadhhabu Zaydun. Zayd is not going. Zayd does not go, and also will not go. So this has, ma has present and la has present. But la also has what? Future. What other particle has future meaning? Lan. So lan yadhhaba Zaydun. Zayd will not go, with emphasis. You get it? And in here, the two key points is that lam makes it what? Majzoom. And lan makes it what? Mansoob. Yes? Understood? Is that everybody's mind? Yeah, so summary is what? We can summarize it here. We have, so let's practice. La yasma'u Zaydun. How do you translate this? La yasma'u Zaydun. Let's start from here. Bismillah.
Zayd did not hear.
Did not. So, yeah, so right here, I'll write Zayd on him, right? Zayd does not hear. Hear, or hear. He does not have hear. He has ear. Zayd does not hear. Second one?
Zayd is not hearing.
Is not hearing or is not listening, probably better, isn't it? Is not listening. And what's going to be? It can also be future. Zayd will not. All three. Next one, your turn. لن يسمع زيد. Yes, you see here? Zayd will not. Will not hear. Emphasis, he will not hear. Or you can even put here, will definitely not. Will definitely not. Yes, if you want. Correct? G. Next one, ma sami'a Zaidun. Zaid did not hear in the past, because this is what? Ma did not. Lam yasma'.
Zaid did not hear.
Same as well, Zaid did not. Got it? And what happens here? Lan makes it what? What state is yasma'a in? Mansoob. And lam is in which state? Majzoom. And yasma'u is in which state? Marfu'. Ma yasma'u Zaidun. What state is yasma'u in? Marfu'. What's the translation of ma yasma'u Zaidun? Is not, or is not listening, or does not listen. Not future tense. Is it clear? Is the negative particle becoming clear to you? Okay. Let's do yajlisu. So your turn. Ma yajlisu Ibrahim.
Ibrahim
Is not sitting or? Doesn't sit. Can it be will not sit? No. Ma jalasa Ibrahim. You did that last time, the similar one. Your turn. Ma jalasa Ibrahim.
Ibrahim didn't sit.
In the past tense. Lan yajlisa Ibrahim. Will definitely not sit. Lam yajlis Ibrahim.
Did not sit.
But that's mudari, yajlis. So we're saying past tense.
Lam.
Because of lam. Lam makes it past tense. And then la yajlisu is not sitting, does not sit, or will not sit. You understand? Okay. So summary, you have the fa'al, so tense, madi, past tense, mudari is present, continuous or present, habitual, and future as well. And also can have amar. We do amar in section 4 inshallah. Imperative. Then i'rab, what's the i'rab of a verb? Either it's going to be mabni, which is the madi and amr, the mabni, they don't change ever. Or it can be mu'arab. Which word changes? Al-mudari. And what three states does mudari come in? Marfu', mansoob and majzoom. Marfu', mansoob and majzoom. And then you have affirmation and negation. What does affirmation mean? Muthbat. What do you call affirmation? Muthbat. And negation? Manfi. And what are the particles of manfi? You have ma for madi, lam to make mudari madi, you have la to make mudari nafi, and lan to make mudari emphatic in the future. And ma can be used for madi and mudari. Everybody understand this? Okay. Subhanallah bihamdi, subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika wa nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta wa nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk.